Here we have another beautiful 2011 Ford Econoline Handicap Wheelchair conversion van. The conversion is done by Braun and Waldock Crafts Conversions. It is a beautiful conversion with 32,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. Beautiful, beautiful van. It is a lowered floor with a Braun side entry wheelchair lift. 600-pound capacity lift, 5.4 liter V8, beautiful 32,000 mile van. Condition is excellent inside and out. Give you the tour. It does have the rear power folding bed. Everything works exactly the way it's supposed to. Beautiful, beautiful van. It was just serviced at the Ford dealer. Wheelchair lift works. Everything is in operating condition. 32,000 miles. Well, it's right just under 33. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We do specialize in these handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans, any specialty vehicles. We do accept trades and can help with shipping to any destination in the world. Give us a call anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We're happy to help at any time. We do have financing options for these handicap vans. Beautiful condition inside and out. I will give you the full and complete tour and show you how everything works. This does have the hard core rubber floor, which is nice going in and out any time of year. You can wipe it clean at any time. This van has beautiful wood grain interior lighting. Rear power folding sofa bed. I'm going to show you how that works. It does have in-floor tie downs for the wheelchair. It does have the extra seat belt for the wheelchair as well. I got all your window shades. Beautiful plush interior accents. This does have the spare tire carrier inside the van. Michelin LTX there. You do have the power folding bed. It does slide forward and up and down. The bed works when the van is not moving. That is a safety that was put on this van. Operates perfectly. Beautiful. Inside now, 33,000 miles, clean Carfax, no stories, lowered floor. It is a Ford 2011 E150 Handicap Wheelchair conversion van. Got your Waldock manuals. All your stuff is here. Beautiful window shades. It's pretty nice and laser straight down the sides. There's a couple little nicks in the stripes, which is normal for a van of this age, but overall this van is flawless condition. Beautiful. Paint's beautiful, no accidents, non-smoker. Tires are about 60 to 70% good. Nothing to do here is BF Goodrich commercial tires on here. Runs and drives beautifully. Seats and carpet, everything is very fresh inside this van. Like I say, you got your lowered floor, 6-inch lowered floor. Starts right up. 32,951 miles. That could change from demonstrating, but it's roughly the amount. Beautiful wood grain, stereo. AC and heat are fully operating. Ice cold right now. It's about 85 degrees here in Florida. Got all your center lighting and controls right there. You just pop those on. See how the beautiful lighting inside there. It's kind of bright, so it's hard to tell, but it looks very nice. Classy. Nice seats. Very beefy and comfortable van. It is a non-smoker all the way. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Got your owner's manuals here, all your stuff. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You can visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We do accept trade-ins. Is a 5.4 liter V8. running perfectly as you saw, no warning lights, no issues. The Braun side entry wheelchair lift that is operated from the pendant. Beautiful lowered floor. Wheelchair lift works perfectly, as you can see. I'm using the pendant. Works awesome, folds in, doesn't rattle. 32,000 original miles. Awesome setup. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. You can see this is a beautiful van. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Ask for Jeff or Ken anytime. Call or text 954-561-2499. 2011 Ford. Look how beautiful that van is. It's beautiful. Thank you.